The house that was on the property was a single-storey, weatherboard, clay-tiled roof house from the 1920s. Our clients had lived in their previous house for 20 years. A decision was made early on not to demolish but to renovate in a way that was sympathetic with the grain of the neighbourhood. The addition is mostly around the provision of a second storey to accommodate the number of bedrooms that were required, where therefore imminent home leavers could return to, hopefully with grandchildren. From early on, the design centred around the second storey addition and therefore the design of the roof.
One of the challenges was to get light into the heart of the house, which was essential. Because the way the roofs came together, it was very difficult to achieve that until we eventually came up with the idea of a shaft that cut through the roofs and created this light chimney.
The dormers were an important part of the design as they utilised the copper. They are a traditional hipped roof design, but they are expressed in a contemporary way. The existing beamed ceilings were retained and expanded on in the kitchen family dining area. We expanded the palette by using brick when we had additional footprint, and we used black steel joinery, which is also sympathetic to the original period. The most successful renovations of this type require a realistic budget, a sense of optimism, and spreading the load through team structure and collaboration.